Right now, there is plenty of controversy surrounding the Kentucky Derby, including an investigation into the ethics of an infamous horse trainer. Churchill Downs shut down after 12 horses died, and some idiot decided to put cherry syrup in a mint julep. A bar spoon of maraschino cherry syrup. Sorry I hurt you so, when your heart so deeply throbs for a passion for pure mixology. Man, it must be hard being you. Well, you better buckle up, because this time around, I'm doing a lot more than adding cherry syrup. That's right, today I'm mixing the Blackberry Mint Julep Margarita. And if I can think of anything else to add to it, I will. Why don't we ponder it over a victory shot? That does taste good. Sage, he brought this to a tequila party we had about a month ago. Thank you, Sage. Alright, as I've already made clear, this one is for the fans. Add blackberries and mint. And we're going to muddle it with 1 ounce of honey syrup. One ounce of lime juice. 2 ounces of an Anejo tequila, and first we have to have ourselves a shot. You can't go wrong with Don Julio. And that's my Blackberry Mint Julep Margarita. Today's word of wisdom is vengeance. Vengeance doesn't have to be vindictive, but when it is, you'll feel all the more victorious. I've sat on my vendetta for far too long, and finally it's time to vanquish this vagabond with venerable vigor. What you call vain, I call valorous, and I will not let this vex me any longer. Verily, verily, I say unto you, cherry syrup fills a vacant hole, removing imperfections in a vacuum with swift velocity. So next time you have a comment, realize I will validate my point with the verbosity of a valedictorian. Can you handle that?